Next up, I have Kate Sipe and Maya Meyerman, co-managers of the Juvenis Festival. Okay, Kate, I'll start with you. Tell me about the Juvenis Festival.
So the Juvenis Festival is a multidisciplinary arts festival that Blue Canoe puts on each year during Youth Week, which this year falls from April 28th until May 8th. And we look to get involved people under the age of 30, and that includes people who are 32. So we do workshops, and then we also have like a musical, an art gallery, and lots of other fun events too.
It's a lot to cram into a week, Maya. It's okay, so it's no older than 30, but no younger than?
It tends to be 13, although we do have a few projects and stuff that can go under 13. So we partner with our Launch Point Academy, which is another aspect of Blue Canoe. But we also have people who are involved who are above the age of 30, but they are involved as workshop leaders. So they're professional artists within the community who are putting on these skill builder workshops that can help those within that 13 to 30 age range develop their skills in the arts.
So are these kids who they want to become artists, or is it really a way of developing their artistic skills, and that will help them in other aspects of their lives?
I guess it just depends. Anyone who wants to, whether they have some experience, no experience, whoever wants to within the age range can get involved. So some of them are beginner workshops that you can get involved with even if you don't have any experience. Although we also have our Youth Project Leader program, which are local youth artists who are putting on the projects that other artists and youth can get involved with. So really, there's a huge range of experience. We offer quite a few professional development workshops as well. And we have an event coming up called the Arts Career Expo. So if you are interested in getting a career in the arts, it's definitely a great way to get started. And it's a great way to gain experience if you don't have any already, in order to get more experiences afterwards.
Kate, so I noticed that there are a number of different mediums, things I had not really considered as being art. Maya, maybe you can help me with this. The one that really fascinated me was the radio drama, writing a radio drama. That one just fascinated me. Can you tell me about that?
Yeah, I mean, this project is being put on. It was written by someone named Jack Burnham, and so he's a Queen student. And he likes to write and write radio drama, so it's not the first one he's done either. Blue Canoe did one with him back in the summer called Children of Thomas. But I think what's really impressive about all the project leaders is that they're really trying to find different ways to engage with youth during the pandemic. And a radio drama is a really great way to do that. So we've partnered with CFRC, and they will be airing this radio drama during Festival Week. But yeah, it's pretty much like putting on a play, except when we can't do it in person, it's a really cool alternative, and it's kind of forced us to kind of go back in time and use older mediums that are relevant now.
So Kate, tell me where all this takes place.
That's a great question. So it takes place all around Kingston, except this year with the pandemic, we're going to be doing more online. So there will be a lot happening on Zoom. But in a typical festival year, we'd have things, like at the Tet Center, at the Isabel, at the Baby Grand, and just as many places around Kingston as we can to make projects accessible to as many people across the community.
But this year, things changed like everything else.
Yes, absolutely.
What did you do last year? Were you involved last year?
Yeah, last year I was the volunteer coordinator, so I tried to recruit people to help out, and they'd sign people into their workshops, they'd be ushers, things like that, and so I'm super pumped this year to be involved in an even greater capacity.
Right, yeah. It's been going on for how many years now?
I think this will be our sixth year, our sixth festival, yeah.
Yeah. Now, is there any charge for people who want to take part in any of these events?
We're a non-for-profit, so we don't charge anything. Just for like our musical, there might be a small fee that we keep as low as possible just to cover the venue costs, but workshops are entirely free. If you want to participate in the projects, it's entirely free. So yeah, everything's just really accessible.
So you're just starting now to get entries, people's submissions. If people want to know more about the various categories and how to go about entering their work or taking part, how can they go about doing that?
So they can head on to our website, www.juvenisfestival.ca, and they can click on our tab that says Juvenis 2021, and then there's one that says Our Projects, or there's also a tab that says Get Involved too, which has every single opportunity, including volunteering, workshops, all that. And if they're really not sure where to go, they're also more than welcome to email Maya and I. Our emails are on the website too, just under the Contact Us tab.
It sounds wonderful, and I know we talked to you before in other years, and it's always such a great event. Congratulations on somehow still pulling it off given these times, and have a wonderful festival. Thanks for being with us.
Thank you.